देखिए, हमें आधिकारिक सूचना मिली है कि कल शाम को एलजी साहब ने एक मीटिंग बुलाई थी, दिल्ली पुलिस के अधिकारियों के साथ मीटिंग बुलाई थी और दिल्ली पुलिस को ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी गई थी कि जो जो एरियाज इंडिया गठबंधन के स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड हैं उन सभी एरियाज में वोटिंग को स्लो कराया जाए, बैरिकेड्स को दूर लगाया जाए, बार बार वोटर्स की चेकिंग कराई जाए। अगर ऐसा होता है तो ये फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शंस का उल्लंघन होगा। तो हम ये उम्मीद करते हैं कि इलेक्शन कमीशन इसका संज्ञान लेगा, दूध का दूध पानी का पानी हो जाएगा। ऑलरेडी कुछ एरिया से ऐसी खबरें आ रही हैं कि कुछ एरियाज में बहुत दूर बैरिकेड्स लगाए जा रहे हैं।
Now, strongly responding to the allegations, the LG's office has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of planning to disrupt voting and blamed it on the central government. They also claimed that Kejriwal had ordered power and water cuts to create trouble for the voters. The LG has instructed officials not to follow these orders and accused Kejriwal of trying to deceive the people of Delhi. The LG also slammed Atishi's statement as unwarranted and false. The BJP, however, claims that such conspiracy and negativity is expected from the Aam Aadmi Party during the polls. The Saffron Party further alleged that the ECI should investigate those who are trying to bring in such chaos during the elections.
ऐसे साजिश, ऐसी नकारात्मक बातें ये आम आदमी पार्टी और कांग्रेस के शीर्ष नेता ही सोच सकते हैं। जो आम कार्यकर्ता हैं वो खुद ही आम आदमी पार्टी से और कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता कांग्रेस से भयंकर नाखुश हैं और उनको नाखुशी इस बात की है कि भारत की सेना को गाली देने वाला कैसे प्रत्याशी हो। इलेक्शन कमीशन को तो संज्ञान लेना ही चाहिए, उन लोगों का संज्ञान लेना चाहिए जो लोग इस चुनाव में गलत एक्शन ले रहे हैं, गुंडागर्दी कर रहे हैं, लगातार नियमों का उल्लंघन कर रहे हैं। रात में मैं देख रहा था कि लोग कागज फेंक रहे हैं कांग्रेस के।
Now, amid the Aam Aadmi Party versus LG face-off in the national capital, the Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal has spoken up, saying the allegations, some of it is true, some of it is false.
I don't want to, make any statements regarding that because I'm not on the ground, and these allegations are made in various parts of the country as well. So some of them may be true, some of them may not be true. It's difficult for me to comment on it. All that I can say is that people should exercise their, their franchise with an open mind.
Some of these allegations could be true, some not true. Tejshi joining us on the broadcast with the details of the allegations that are being made by the Aam Aadmi Party and the impact that is going to have in the elections. Tejshi, the polling is currently underway. It's been a few hours already, just few more hours to go for the polling to come to an end in the national capital. The 7 seats going into polling today in the 6th phase. The Aam Aadmi Party, though, making a grave allegation on the LG's office. The LG has responded saying this is a constitutional post. The allegation that you're making is not just against a constitutional post, but also comes at a time when voting is underway in the national capital.
Well, yes, and LG has responded very quickly when Atishi had posted from a personal social media handle yesterday accusing Lieutenant Governor's office involving in slowing down the votes via the help of Delhi police. And in fact, now, today, in fact, while speaking to media, she also said the same thing. And now, in fact, other ministers also from Aam Aadmi Party, said be Atishi or Saurabh Bharadwaj, are coming out on social media and are posting the videos where they are alleging that at some booths there are no there are only BJP Karyakartas who are standing outside the booth. They are posting other videos where they are showing the security of the Delhi police. Then they are showing the barricades of the Delhi police, which is far away from the polling booth. So these are kind of accusations that Aam Aadmi Party is making on the BJP. But we'll have to see that how this matter goes forward. Will the Aam Aadmi Party be knocking the doors of Election Commission, or will there be some stringent action taken against the Aam Aadmi Party leaders? Because remember that LG, when yesterday had replied or in fact responded to such accusations, he has already said that strict action will be taken, because LG, as you rightly mentioned, is a constitutional post. It is not a political party. And in fact, also remember that Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister of Delhi, had also endorsed to what Atishi had said. So certainly now, since Arvind Kejriwal is on interim bail, political war of words was already going on between LG and the Delhi Chief Minister. But now, before few hours of voting, and meanwhile the voting is underway in the national capital on all the 7 seats, this particular political war of words or the arguments could be heated up, because certainly BJP is not going to be silent now, because remember that this is not for the first time that Aam Aadmi Party has been accusing LG office or BJP for something which is happening with Aam Aadmi Party. Earlier also, say it be for any other crisis, it is Aam Aadmi Party who has always been accusing BJP
Yes.
and accusing particularly that agencies are working in the parallel lines with the BJP, and that LG is also doing the same.
Absolutely. So war of words continuing, but during the voting phase, the LG saying that this can create some confusion in the minds of the voters. Tejashree, thank you for joining us with those details. We're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.